Welcome back to another STR review, and in this trade review, we're going to go over today's profitable trade. Yes, STR had a profitable trade today as usual, and we did our trade today on First Solar. So First Solar was one of the pioneers of the solar panel retail industry. One of the first, I believe they started in the 1980s. Now, today the company had its earnings call where it reported positive earnings, positive sales, and the company looked primed for awesome growth. Interestingly enough, the company also said it looks like it's going to be busy for a while until after 2020. Has a lot of orders to fill. It's going to be really busy and can even start expanding, I believe. The company said that it's expanding aggressively into China, that it's seeing nice growth in the U.S. market, and an interesting little fact: the Trump administration might make a special rule that allows the materials used for building solar panels to not be affected by any kind of new trade regulations, which is great for the solar industry. Investors saw all this stuff come together. Investors were really happy. Investors came forward, they came together, and they shot this stock up over 20% for a stock that's worth what, nearly $50 a share. To go up 20% is ridiculous. So that being said, I'm going to start the recording for this video, and we're going to talk about this trade now. Before I talk about this trade, I want to guys tell all of you, if you're a new or even experienced trader, I recommend you record your trades so you can go back and see after the fact what happened with your trade, what went wrong, what went right, what you can change, what you can learn, and most importantly, how you can take your past trades, see them live recordedly, and use that information to become a more positive, more aggressive, more profitable trader. That being said, I'm going to start the recording, and we're going to see what happens now with FSLR. So FSLR got into an order above the high today. High was today at 62. I believe it got in above the high of the day on this trade. It's going fantastic on this trade. And waiting for an order to get in, and I'm going to get in above the high of the day. So right now I'm looking at another trade, possible trade on OFC, and I was filled on FSLR. So I quickly changed my charts FSLR so I can start to examine where I'm going to extend my stop loss. And I'm looking at level 2, looking at the limit orders. As you guys can see, I'm preparing to set a stop loss on, but I am being profitable on this trade. I'm currently up. Okay, and I quickly went down before I set my stop loss even. Stock is really volatile. FSLR is one of the more crazy stocks, especially today. So FSLR for solar, I'm going to set my stop, but I'm looking at the chart and I am debating to take my profit instantly. Sometimes in breakouts when a stock reaches exhaustion, especially in this case, as you guys can see, we had the 5 candle rule where every 5 candles there should be a red candle, every 5 green candles we didn't see one, so I decided I'm taking out on positions and I closed my trade. Now, why did I do that? It's because, frankly, I didn't see a pullback, and I was expecting a pullback, and as you guys can see, the stock's starting to pull back, so I decided, let me get near the high of the day, wait for a pullback, and then I'll get back into that trade. So I made over $1,500 on this trade alone in a couple of minutes, which is pretty awesome. But I waited for that pullback. Okay, the recording's end, but I'm going to talk about this trade for a little bit. I saw some great volume, I saw some great opportunity, but I didn't see the pullback, and I want to see the pullback. So because I didn't see that pullback, and volume was starting to fade, I saw a bearish divergence here. I decided, well, I'm going to take out my profit. I'm going to take my nice $1,500, put it in my pocket, get out of the trade. No need to be greedy. Have my profit and look for a re-entry. So that's what I did. I saw a bearish divergence. I didn't even set a stop order. I just immediately saw a stop loss. I immediately saw a chance to make money. I decided I'm going to make money. I took my profit from my pocket. It was an awesome trade. It was a profitable trade. And it was a lesson here, guys, that if the best trades work instantly, and I didn't see much of the explosion as I wanted, I saw less volume, and I was expecting a pullback. That being said, I took my profit to my pocket, and I was really happy about that decision. I made my money. I made the profit. STR was profitable. Our members were profitable, and this just shows you guys what you can trade. If you like this idea, comment below, like, share, show your friends. If you have any questions, contact us. If you want to trade with us, contact us. But right now, I'm going to go celebrate my $1,500 in profit on FSLR alone, and I'm going to go look for more trades. Wishing all of you the best. Have a fun weekend. See you guys on Monday, and just remember, guys, always trade responsibly.